Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Confirm whether Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit, and note the affected program's architecture so you place files correctly. Once done, create a system restore point to undo mistakes. Now open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to automatically detect and repair corrupted system files. This often restores missing system DLLs. If SFC finds nothing, check the recycle bin and the app folder for misplaced Zapovx15 DLL before proceeding to the next step. Next, repair the Windows image and restore component files. First run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an admin prompt to correct component store issues, then restart. After that, install the DirectX end-user runtimes, June 2010, to restore X audio components such as Zapovx15 DLL. Choose the package that matches your system. If the installer doesn't place the DLL, copy the correct Zapovx15 DLL into C/Windows/System32 for 64-bit system files or C. Finally, restart Windows to ensure the new or restored DLL is loaded into memory, then launch the problematic application to confirm the fix. If the error persists, run the app as administrator, check Event Viewer for related fault messages, and reinstall the application to refresh its local dependencies. If nothing helps, perform a system restore to your earlier point or run the DirectX installer again. Troubleshooting tip: never download DLLs from unknown sites. Always use Microsoft redistributables or official repair tools to avoid malware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.